Dear warriors, here is a quick update on our project. So if we come to resolutionbazaar.com, the changes that have come about are that if you go to Project Sahyog here, and if you were to now click on download brochure, it will take you to a new tab. And this new tab, let it load. Okay, this new tab explains pre-pack processes in all the languages that we have translated so far. So if you click Bengali, you'll see all the pre-pack brochure that we have made in Google Docs, they have been loaded here. Likewise for Gujarati or Hindi or Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Oriya, Punjabi, Tamil and Telugu. Now, there are two more things. As you saw something like this in Hindi, if we all can make an audio or explaining all this process in our own regional languages, then we can have it loaded here, and which can
King Dhritarashtra
this is just an
asked,
example, so let's not worry about the example. This is just a test case, but we can actually load the audio file here. So not only can you read it, but you will also be able to hear it. Now taking it a step further, we can open this question mark, which is like a help panel, or rather video panel. I think I should change the icon here to make it more video, YouTube style. And we can actually have videos in Gujarati, in Hindi, all loaded here. So since we only have one video by Ashwani, IP Ashwani, so right now
नमस्कार दोस्तों, this is Ashwini Rastogi.
that's the only video we have. But of those of us who can make videos in regional languages, again explaining these things, then we can have the videos be loaded here as well. But this is just as support other things miscellaneous. I'm still trying to figure out how best do we explain it here. But so we have audio, we have video, and we have the brochures in different languages. So now how do we share these brochures? So if you go to Oriya, for example, and now what do? You either have to have people come here, click on brochure, come to a page like this, or maybe we can send them a page over here, and then they'll be able to see all these brochures in different languages. Alternatively, this is an export button. So if you were to hit export, don't worry about CSV, JSON, or any other TID file or something. Just worry about static HTML. So if I were to download static HTML, I'll be asked to download Oriya. So I could download this brochure in Oriya, which has now been downloaded on my computer as an HTML file. If I were to open this HTML file, I'll see only the Oriya brochure is here, and now I can send this HTML file to anybody who I want via an email, or even put it on WhatsApp. So for example, if I were to go here, and if I were to go say mapped warriors, and if I were to go here and attach a file, and I could go here and I could open. So I am actually attaching oriya.html file over here, which has now been uploaded. So the Oriya part of the brochure, or the brochure in Oriya language, is uploaded here, and naturally anybody can download. So thus we can make it much easier for us to exchange these files in whatever language we want to. So what we have seen is, so this is also a sample of what a digital file is. So this is a very easy technology that we are working on, we have devised, and we can mutate this file and bring in mathematics, we can bring in diagrams, we can bring in any type of so many things. I mean, you learn about this technology as we move along, but this is just an example of what we can do with this technology. Earlier, we used to use this for making teasers, investment teasers. So we could have assets, and we could have marketing, we could have other things over here. So you can actually see things. So so this is so far as the brochures are concerned. Of course, we still have download as PDF from Google Docs and then make PDFs and exchange it PDFs also. But this is the other way around. So everybody is requested to make these audio files explaining simple pre-pack in simple language, and of those who can make videos, everybody is most welcome too. Now for the next part, if we were to book an appointment, which we all know, we'd come to a place like this where we choose one of the services. So let's say somebody chooses pre-pack services, and then we have so many people to choose from, and supposing we choose any one, Mukesh ji, and then we can choose naturally any date and time. Of course, the date and time is also controllable, so we can say from what time to what time is Mukesh ji available, and if Mukesh ji wants to limit his effort from say 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning, then only that time would show here. It will only show from 8 to 10, the other times would not show. So that is something, again, we'll have to sort of gather together, and I'll tell you how to do that. But the question for today is really that what do we do here? So now if we try to go forward, it says no, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. So what are the terms and conditions? There are none right now, but the question is open, that what are the terms and conditions for a pro bono services that we're going to say. So the terms and conditions should be, the more clarity we have, the better it is. And likewise a privacy policy, and that of course is something I'm writing as to how are we going to what is a privacy policy, and that we assure that there is no misuse of the information that you're going to give. So friends, the terms and conditions, what should they be? And please go and take a look at this brochure. It's already loaded on the Resolution Bazaar site, and again it's over here, and please give me more feedback. The plan is that if we could wrap up the brochures and the terms and conditions and other formalities by the end of this week today, then we could start giving it some final touches, making sure everything is working, and then we can begin marketing. So that will be all for the time being. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.